Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today I'm going to go over the process of uploading a 3D virtual tour tar file that we created using the iGuide IMS-5 camera system. I've already stitched together in a previous video the data from the IMS-5, and I've successfully exported the tar file into the export folder. So now we're on manage.youriGuide.com, and we're going to go ahead and click Create iGuide. From there, we're going to choose a property industry, and this is a residential house, so we'll select that. And then we're going to choose the iGuide package, and you can learn more about the different packages they offer by clicking these links, but I always pick the premium package, so I'm going to select that. Next, we're going to hit the property address. Now, if this is a pretty standard house, you can put the property address in and it should auto look it up. But if it's a newer house or an apartment or an unusual address, you're going to have to manually type it in, which I'm going to have to do in this case. So the address is 0 Crespi Avenue in Caramel by the Sea, California. And the zip code is 93921. And it's 0 Crespi Avenue 2 SW. So we're going to hit select, and it found that, so we hit select. I know that there's not an agent banner created for this particular agent, so I'm not going to try to find that here. I'll go ahead and create a banner for this agent later on and add it. The next step, we're going to go to advanced options, and I already uploaded the same 3D tour using the PlanX Pro. So I'm going to underscore this one and call it IMS-5. On the other URL, the underscore is PP for PlanX Pro. I leave all these as they are for default. So I'm not going to select anything there. Next, we're going to go to drag and drop exported stitch tar file. And so I'm going to go look for the IMS-5 folder that I created. And here's the export folder. And here's the tar file. So now that we have it kind of loaded right here, next step is to create iGuide and upload. It's going to give us a warning message that says no banner has been selected for this iGuide, and we're going to hit that's okay, I know what I'm doing. I am a professional, please do not try this at home. Once we hit okay, it's going to start uploading. And now we got a message that says the iGuide was successfully created. You can proceed to edit the iGuide. I don't do that. What I'm going to do is scroll up and select my iGuides. And then from here we can see that it's successfully processing. Right below you'll see the one that I previously did using the PlanX Pro, which is also still processing. I did both systems to kind of give a comparison, apples to apples, if you will, to show everybody the differences in the speed it takes to scan the house as well as the quality from the final result. So I will cover that in another video. Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching.